Welcome back to Facebook Mastery. Today, we're going to learn how to change the password on Facebook. Now, in order to change the password, first, obviously, get to your Facebook page. And then, click the down arrow icon on the top right corner. After that, click the settings on the window that appeared. Now once you're in, go to the left column and click on Security and Login. And then go to Change Passwords Edit right over here. Click Edit. Now, on the Current tab, click the current password that you are currently using. And then on the New tab, click the new password that you want to use. So, make sure the passwords are matched and the password string is at least medium. Now click Save Change. And now you're done. You've successfully changed your password. Thank you very much for watching this video, and if you find it useful, please hit the like button and subscribe.